Canva for Education is the innovative approach for learning. It is a good intervention for a teacher who is switching to remote working or online classes, as well as those who want to deliver classroom learning creativity. Use Canva to make your class presentation more interactive and engaging. Go to Google Chrome, search Canva, log in using your Google account, your Facebook. Make sure to use your DepEd account, that's for free. Now it will go here in this portal wherein you have your own classroom. Now let's create a design. Let's have education presentation. And here you can find many templates that you can choose from. Let's have this, for example, English class. You can edit this one. Next, add as new page. You can add your picture here. Next. Add. If you're going to add page, just click this one. Rules. And so on. Now you can have this one, you can share this also, or present this in your class. Take it for example. So that's for the class lesson presentation, or we can counterpart this as to the PowerPoint presentation. Let's go back to home again. Let's create a design. Let's have education, a video. Now in the video here, in the video educational video presentation, you can have many templates also that you can choose from. Let's have this, for example. You can edit this also. You can edit the title of the video that you wish to use in your class, and you can share it, or you can download it. Now let's go to the other platform of this Canva. We can have here education infographic, wherein you can also edit your infographics to make it more visually attractive to your class. Let's have this, for example, this one. You can edit this also. It is editable. You can drag this and so on. Or you can use other elements. I mean, you can add this one. This is for free, or this one also, and so on. These are for free. You can also use charts to make it more presentable, and then you can print your infographic besides the design. Let's go to classroom poster. There are many templates that you can choose from also in this template. These are editable also. You can print these posters as well. You can choose a size here. Lesson plan. So there are also templates here that you can choose and edit it. Daily lesson plan, styles, week, so on. For the worksheet. Here in the worksheet you have many templates. That's all editable. Let's have, for example, this one. Can edit this based on, depending on the lessons that you have. You can add text as well. You can add text. You can choose text here. There are also other creations here. Video, you can edit the video, poster, logo, Instagram post, presentation, flashcard, mind map, brainstorm, classroom announcement, classroom newsletter. This one. You can edit this also. You can add members also here, your account if you're a teacher. Invite your student, or you can import your Google Classroom here also.